Now let's take a look at the second question on the board. We have that a gas is compressed from an initial pressure of 1,520 millimeter mercury to a final pressure of 3,040 millimeter mercury, and the final temperature is 77 degrees Celsius. What was the initial temperature? So if you look at the question now, what we are supposed to do here is we need to collect the necessary data that we need to collect. We have the initial pressure. We have the initial pressure, which is P1, to be equal to 1,520 millimeter mercury. Then we have the final pressure. The final pressure, which is P2, is equals to 3,040 millimeter mercury. Then we have the final temperature given to us. So the final temperature, which is T2, is equals to 77 degrees Celsius. Its equivalent in Kelvin is 77 plus 273, which will give us 350 Kelvin. So we have to look for the initial temperature. To look for initial temperature, which is T1. So by the time we use our relationship, we have P1 over T1 is equals to P2 over T2. So by the time we make our T2 the subject formula, T1 the subject formula, we have T1 is equals to P1 times T2 divided by what? By P2. So which is, our P1 is 1,520 times our T2 is 350 divided by 3,040. So that means T1 is equals to, here we are going to have 532,000 divided by 3,040. So from here, we will now have it to be equal to 175 Kelvin. So we can now say therefore, our initial temperature, which is T1, is equals to 175 Kelvin. So this is how to solve question on pressure law or Gay-Lussac's law. If you have any of your own question you want us to attend to, please do well to leave the question in the comment section so that we can be able to attend to it. So after this now, in our next video, we shall be discussing the next aspect of the gas law, which is the general gas equation.